for the class, right? If you are going to come, if you are going to come to school from tomorrow, you have to collect the paper of permission either from school, or you have to make a printout from your phone. Okay, the PDF Rachita ma'am has already sent to you, right?
मैम कौन
Yes,
सा
so
को
you,
सेंड करना है?
huh?
कौन सा को कर रहा है स्कूल में?
Yes, so according to that, you have to collect the, you have to deposit your permission letter from consent letter from your parents to the school, and then only you will be allowed to sit in the class. Okay, you have to take special precautions. You have to use a sanitizer in the class. You have to keep it with yourself. You have to wear a mask, compulsory a mask. Okay, and apart from that, what you have to do? You have to bring your own tiffins. You have to bring your own bottles. You will not be allowed to share your lunch box or your water bottles. Okay, so see that you carry your own water bottles and your own tiffins. Okay, these instructions were Ruchita ma'am had asked to share with all the boys. Okay, so we are sharing the information. Is it clear, everyone? Zaki, clear? Zaki,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
yes. What you have to do? What you have to do, Semi?
Ma'am, we have to
We have
take
to
on bottle. We
bring
have to
our
take
mask, sanitizer, water bottle, compass box. Then we have to submit uh, paper,
Consent letter. Yes.
letter. We cannot share.
Yes. Yes. You cannot share, right? But you have to
We have
bring
to
your
use
own things, right?
sanitizer, mask.
It's for your safety, right? Okay. Chalo, can you see my screen, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to start with the lesson livelihood. Okay. This is a very important lesson, and it is again, dependent upon the village areas. Okay. You know better that a person, whether it is you, me, or any person living in the village, they all are affected by his or her surroundings. Yeah. हमारे सराउंडिंग से हमें अफेक्ट होती है, राइट? सो ऑल दिस इज हाउ दे आर अफेक्टेड एंड what is village life, what are the effects of the village life that we are going to study in this lesson. Okay, yes Zaki, can you read the introductory part, beta? Can you read the introduction, Zaki?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Number 17. Livelihood. A person's life is affected by his or her surrounding. We see a lot of diversity around us. The most important thing about the village life is that villagers use minimum facilities. They are connected with economic system in different ways. Most of the people are engaged in farming. Local arrangements and local environment directly affect the village life. Village life means the arrangement of livelihood and environment. Apart from the lives of village people, we will discuss about their facilities and problems. Our country, India, has a wonderful unity or diversity. Our country has a unique
Amidst,
identity,
amidst,
religions,
admits nahi, amidst.
religion, language, religion, and economic diversities. There are more than 5,000 cities and about 27,000 small and big towns.
Towns.
People come to the city come to the city for employment from the surrounding village. People from other states also come to the cities or town are constituted great right to settle and develop peacefully anywhere in India. People living in city are connected with various occupations. Some people have connection with more than one occupation. We see many people around us. Everyone needs to create income to on our livelihood for family. People earn this livelihood by service, business, or labor work.
Yes, absolutely right. Right? Now see here. What is livelihood? First of all, we will see that. Zaki, you are feeling sleepy? You are okay.
No, man.
Okay, that's very good. Yes. So, what is livelihood? First of all, we'll see. Okay, means what, beta? A person's life is affected by his or her surroundings. As I said you previously only, right? Okay, we are also affected by our surroundings. Yes, we see a lot of diversity around us. What do we see? Diversity means differences. Someone likes to eat something, someone likes to wear something, someone likes to go some places to, enjoy, and everyone has a different pair of shoes, right? So we see diversities around us everywhere, right? The most important thing about the village life is that villages use minimum facilities. मीन्स व्हाट विलेजेस के पास मिनिमम फैसिलिटी होती है मिनिमम मीन्स व्हाट बेटा बहुत कम फैसिलिटीज होती है राइट they but they are connected with economic system in different ways. What are they connected beta? With economic system in different ways. Okay, most of the people are engaged in farming. How are they engaged beta? Most of the people, they are engaged in farming. In what are they engaged beta? In farming. In villages we are talking about, right? What are they engaged in? People are engaged, most of the people of village are engaged in what beta? Can I get some answers from you people beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why no answers are received?
Yes, ma'am. What is the question?
My question is that most of the people are engaged in what in the villages?
Engaging in
What?
farming.
Hmm?
Farming facilities.
Yes, they are engaged in farming, right? Agriculture work, right? So local arrangements and local environment directly affect the village life. Yes, लोकलिटी में कैसा एनवायरमेंट है, फिर कैसा लाइफस्टाइल है, एवरीथिंग इज directly affect the village life. Yes or no? Local arrangement and local environment directly affect the village life. Okay, village life means what now beta? Village life means the arrangement of livelihood. What does village life mean beta? What does it mean? The arrangement of livelihood and environment. Okay, what is it? The arrangement of livelihood and the environment. Apart from the lives of village people, we will discuss about their facilities and problems. Yes, my dear students, भले they are living happily compared to us, but they have many less facilities and they also have many problems. Yes, the villagers, because they are living in village એટલે ગામડું. Yes, they are having many problems, they face many problems also. So here we are going to discuss about the facilities which are available to him, the villagers, and the problems which are faced to them. Okay, is it clear till here? Boys, is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. So our country, India, has a wonderful unity in diversity. What does it have, beta? Why no one is replying? Let
Ma'am,
me
your
see.
voice is too much breaking.
Why anyone is not replying? Let me see.
Yes,
Zohair Abbas, Zaki,
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Asarya.
Ma'am, your voice is too much breaking. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sorry, boys. My phone got turned switch off, so I had to wait to to get it turned on. Okay. Yes. Now you can listen me now, boys. Can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
सुन पा रहे हो ना ओके चलो okay because there was some problem with the net also and my phone also turned off. Okay, now you can see my screen. स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हो ना बेटा? Yes boys, can you see my screen or not? Boys, can you see my screen or not?
Yes.
Then why don't you reply at least? Yes. So our country, India, has a wonderful unity in diversity. And apart from that, beta, our country has a unique identity amidst language, religion, region, and economic diversities. Everything is different to everyone. Religion is different, language is different, region is different, and economic diversity is also different, right? So there are more than how many cities you can imagine? There are more than 500 cities. How many cities are there? Sorry, 5,000 cities, not 500. 5,000 cities and 27,000 small and big towns. How many towns are there, beta? 27,000. Okay. How many cities are there? 5,000 cities. और उसी सिटी के अंदर अंदर 27,000 small and big towns are there in India, right? People come to the cities for employment from surrounding villages. People from other states also come to the cities or towns. Okay, our constitution grants the right to settle and develop peacefully anywhere in India. You can go in India anywhere. You can go to Kerala, you can go to Kashmir, you can go to Kanyakumari, you can go to East Arunachal Pradesh, you can go to Sikkim, you can come to Gujarat, you can come to, anywhere in India. You can go to Middle Madhya Pradesh and you can settle anywhere in India. This is the rights which is given to us by our constitution. Yes. And for this, our constitution has special reservement of all the rights, right? And we can never, our sorry, peacefully anywhere in India. People living in cities are connected with various occupations. Some people have connections with more than one occupations. Where do they have connections, beta? With more than one occupations. Some people have connections with more than one occupations. We see many people around us, right? Around us. Everyone needs to create income to earn their livelihood for the family. Yes, everyone, चाहे वो बड़ा हो छोटा हो कोई भी रिलीजन का हो कैसा भी हो कोई भी थिंग कोई भी डाइवर्सिटी हो पर उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा बेटा ही हैज टू क्रिएट एन इनकम to earn a livelihood, right? Now people earn their livelihood by service, business और some people even do the labor work है ना मजूरी काम भी करते हैं कोई business करता है कोई service करता है and by this way they earn their livelihood to survive for their family, right? To bring the food in their family, to bring the electricity in their house, yes, to make their children educate and all the things to do, right? Earn People have to earn, right? Their livelihood. Yes, and how do they earn, beta? How do they earn their livelihood? Huh, boys? How do they earn their livelihood? How do the people earn their livelihood?
Ma'am, speak slowly.
How do they earn their livelihood?
I cannot understand.
They earn their livelihood by services, different services. Some people earn their livelihood by business, doing the different business. Some people do labor work, right? To fulfill, one has to create an income, right? To earn, right? For their family members and family, right? Okay. Yes, Zoher, can you revise this paragraph which I explained you right now? So that if any part anyone has not understood, I'll re-explain. Yes, Zoher, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Revise, Zoher, can you revise?
Yes. Lesson number 70. Livelihood. A person's life is affected by his surroundings. We see a lot of diversity around us. The most important thing about the village life is that villagers use minimum facilities.
Use minimum.
They are connected with economic system in different ways. Most of the people are engaged in farming. Local arrangement and local environment directly affect the village life. Village life means the arrangement of livelihood and environment apart from the lives of village people. We will discuss about their facilities and problems.
Yes,
Our
understood now,
country,
everyone?
India, is a wonderful unity in diversity. Our country has a unique identity amidst
Amidst
religion, language, region, and economic diversity. There are more than 5,000 citizens and
citizen
about
नहीं बेटा, cities.
27,000
Zoher, citizens
cities,
नहीं,
cities,
cities.
cities,
हाँ.
cities,
Citizens are the
and
people. Well,
about
population is more,
27,
right?
yes, and about 27,000 small and big towns. People come to the cities for employment from the surrounding village. People from other states also come to the cities or towns. Our constitution gives rights to settle and have laws
Grants, right?
peaceful and where in India. People living in cities and connected with various occupations. Some people have connection with more than one occupation. We see many people around us. Everyone needs to create economy to earn a livelihood for family. People earn their livelihood by service, business, or labor work.
La- labor work नहीं, labor work, okay? Yes. Any doubt in these two paragraphs, बेटा?
Ma'am, labor work means
मजूरी काम, yes. कोई भी ऐसा काम हो जिसमें लेबर्स इन्वॉल्व हो, लेबर्स એટલે મજૂર. Understood? Yes, any doubt?
no,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Fazil has no doubt. Zohair, Zaki, any doubt? Zohair, Zaki, any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am. No, no doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So see, here you can see a picture of workers working at a farm. Can you see? Yes. Means they are engaged in some of the, in the village areas, they are engaged in some of the other works, right? Now we will see village life. Okay. How is the village life? Now here is a talk about one village. Okay, that is the village named Ranpur. Okay, we are going to discuss about that. Now see beta, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया इस पैराग्राफ में कि villages are mostly engaged in farming occupation, right? They do mainly farming work. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
यस, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि वहाँ पे बेसिक फैसिलिटीज नहीं है. कोई भी विलेज में हेयर सलून भी होता है बिकॉज पीपल नीड टू गो एंड कट देयर हेयर्स आल्सो. So someone will be engaged as a barber also. Then someone will require small medicines also for for the treatment of cough, cold and all this. So there are doctors also. Yes or no? फिर किसी को स्लीपर्स परचेज करने हैं तो देयर विल बी स्मॉल स्टोर्स आल्सो. किसी को कभी कोई कपड़े परचेज करने हैं तो विलेज में स्मॉल शॉप्स भी होती है. Then someone will require the masalas or the household wheat, barley, jowar. Bhale they are farming, doing farming, but everyone is not doing all farming work, right? Someone will require maida, someone will require any different products, all purpose flour or anything, right? So they have to go to purchase all these things. So all these shops are also there in villages, right? So we will discuss about village life in this paragraph. There are car tailors also because these people they will village में कपड़े भी पहनने के लिए चाहिए, टेलर्स होते हैं. Then they live in a house, so masons are there. Then at certain point they also construct their own houses, but they need the raw material also. So small scale industries are also set up in villages. So the development of the villages is very much important. Yes, it is very much important. Hmm. Yes. Zaki, are you there, Zaki? Zaki, are you there? Hello? Zaki, are you there? Okay, no problem. Since he's having some net issue, Zoher, can you revise?
No,
Read
ma'am.
this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, no. Ma'am, yes. Can I
Yes.
read?
Yes, read.
Yeah. Uh, Disa is a city in Banaskantha
Banaskantha
district.
district.
Banaskantha district. From Disa, there is a village named Ranpur. Most of the people here are associated with farming. Some people do farming while some are busy in cattle rearing. In extra time which is spent from farming, some people make
Tools.
Some make tools. Some stitch clothes. One man runs tractor. He goes for plowing when he is cold. In spite of being a small village, people do not have to go to the city for a haircut or shaving. There are many small and big shops. Slippers and clothes are available in these shops. Medicine for fever, cough, and cold is also available in the village shop at the time of need. Everybody grows potatoes and millet here and in the surrounding village.
Very good. Continue. I'll explain it.
The carpenter, barber, and blacksmith are also available in this village. Along with their occupation, they are also connected with farming and farm labor. One young man has made a shop for tea and snacks. Passerby stand here more in numbers than village people do for tea and snacks. Some farmers grow vegetables throughout the year, while some other farmers repairs orchards
Orchards
for growing pomegranate and other fruits. People are growing fruits.
are seen growing
Seed
foods.
growing fruit, flower and vegetables in the village.
Yes, in this village. So yeah, as I said, you Zaki first only, right? That here we are going to talk about one village called Ranpur. Okay. Now, Disa जो है is a city in Banaskantha district. Okay. Now, little far from Disa, there is a village named Ranpur. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले इंट्रोडक्शन दिया कि what are in the village, people are mostly associated with farming. I said you that, right? But people who do farming, they need all the things. They need clothes to wear, they need furniture in their house, they need a barber to cut the hairs, they need a blacksmith to mend their shoes. They need all the work people, right? So all the type of people engaged with other works are also living in village, है ना. किसी को कभी स्नैक्स भी चाहिए, किसी को कभी कुछ खाना भी होगा, दे नीड टू गो आउट फॉर द वर्क, फॉर ईटिंग ऑल्सो,
Stationery.
है ना. हाँ,
Ma'am, stationery.
स्टेशनरी वर्क, हाँ, तो वो भी चाहिए ना. तो स्कूल्स भी चाहिए विलेजेस में, बिकॉज जो भी वो फार्मिंग में एंगेज है तो उनको स्कूल, उनके बच्चों को तो स्कूल भेजना ही पड़ेगा ना, तो वो भी चाहिए. सो एवरी रिक्वायरमेंट इज देयर ओनली इन द विलेज. सो एवरी वन हैज टू बी फैसिलिटेट, राइट, फॉर डिफरेंट वर्क. यस और नो, है ना. तो most people here are associated with farming, right? Some people do farming while some are busy in cattle rearing. कोई कोई फार्मिंग करता है, कोई कोई किसमें बिजी होता है बेटा, कैटल रियरिंग में, राइट. मतलब के इन एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दे कैन डू ऑल दिस वर्क, राइट. बट अभी जो उनको एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिलता है विच इज पार्ट फ्रॉम फार्मिंग, सम पीपल मेक टूल्स, some stitch clothes, one man runs tractor, he goes for plowing when he is called. In spite of being a small village, people do not have to go to the city for a haircut or shaving, right? Daily they cannot go for shaving to the city, right? So मतलब क्या कि वहां पे भी उनको ये सारी फैसिलिटीज मिलती है, right? There are many small and big shops. Okay, वहां पे कैसे shops होती है, बहुत सारे small and big shops होती है. Slippers and clothes are available in these shops. Okay, apart from all these things, slippers and clothes are also available in these villages. फिर मेडिसिन, जैसा सेड यू फर्स्ट ओनली, है ना, कि मेडिसिन चाहिए अगर किसी को फीवर हुआ, किसी को कफ हुआ, किसी को कोल्ड हुआ, है ना. तो दे कैन नॉट गो फॉर स्मॉल स्मॉल नीड्स इन द सिटीज, राइट. हाँ, अलग बात है कि अगर कोई ज्यादा गंभीर बीमारी होती तो दे गो in the city areas, right? But when it is small, so they continue in the village only, right? They take the treatment in the village only. So also available in the village shop at the time of need. Everybody grows potatoes and millet here in the surrounding villages. Now tailor, carpenter, barber and blacksmith are also available in this village. Who are available, beta?
Some
Carpenter,
tailor, carpenter, barber, blacksmith,
हाँ.
also
Yes, why they are available in the village area? जबकि मेन ऑक्यूपेशन तो पीपल का फार्मिंग है, तो इन सब का क्या काम है?
and because farmer was
हाँ,
was
हाँ.
also
Who is answering this
also
question?
was furniture,
Yes.
tailor, barber, and blacksmith.
Yes, who is answering this question?
And yes,
Sorry?
ma'am,
and
first
yes,
Muhammad,
sir.
sorry,
Aliasan, very
Muhammad,
good.
second
Very
half.
good. Yes, because our farmer will require clothes to wear, house to live in, bed to sleep in, right? He will require a barber to cut his hair, right? All this is basic requirement of the people. Yes, along with their occupation, they are also connected with farming and farm labor. Okay, one young man has made a shop of tea and snacks. For tea and snacks, he is selling tea, chai, right, and snacks also. उसके साथ नाश्ता भी बेच रहा है उस गांव में, है ना. So passers by stand here more in numbers than the village people do for tea and snacks. Some farmers grow vegetables throughout the year, while some other farmers prepare orchards for growing pomegranates and other fruits. Okay, people are seen growing fruits, flowers, and vegetables in this village, है ना. पीपल खाली फार्मिंग करते हैं तो खाली फार्मिंग ही नहीं करते, दे आर सीन ग्रोइंग फ्रूट्स, देन दे आर सीन ग्रोइंग फ्लावर्स आल्सो एंड वेजिटेबल्स आल्सो इन दिस विलेज. कौन से विलेज की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? विलेज का नाम क्या था? हेलो, हाँ बोलो,
ये
which village we are talking here about?
हम आर पे से कुछ स्टार्ट होता था।
हाँ तो रीड करो, बताओ मुझे. Find out, search out in the two paragraphs.
रानपुर।
Yes, absolutely right. Ranpur, near in the Banaskantha district, near Disa city. Okay, clear till here, everyone.
यस ये
Ali, can you revise this two para?
मैम
हसनैन,
कहना है सरिया मोहम्मद फजील।
अभी मैंने हसनैन का नाम बोला तो he will revise. Okay, is he
ओके
there?
मैम।
Hello, are you there?
No, many Hasnan is not here.
Hasnain is not there. Hasnain, are you there?
No, ma'am, no one Hasnan.
Okay, Fazil, but you have not practiced this lesson reading, right?
Ma'am, I practiced last that full lesson that I don't know which you started that.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'll help you to read this one. Okay, read.
Okay, ma'am. Village Desa is a city in
Banas,
Banaskantha
Banaskantha district.
district, little far from Disa. There is a village named Kanpur. Most of the people here are
Here. Or nahi, here.
here are associated with farming. Some people do farming, while some are
Busy.
busy in cattle relating is extra time which is spent from farming. Some people make tools, some stick clothing. One man runs the trudge
Tractor,
tractor. He goes for
ploughing,
ploughing.
plowing.
Bottom.
He goes for plowing.
He goes for plowing when he is cold instead
Inspired.
of instead of being a
Being.
small village. People do not have to go to the city for a hair cutting or shaving. There are many small and big shops.
Slippers.
Slippers and clothes are available in their shops.
In these
Medi-
shops.
These medicines, for fever, for fever, cloth and cold is also available in the village shop, and at the time of everybody grows potatoes and wheat
And millet.
and at her and in the
Here.
surrounding village.
Millet here. Very good, Fazil. So all this is about village life. See, can you see here? Village life. One man is doing, tailor is there. You can see one man is carrying load on his head. There is a shop in the other place. Can you see? One is man is going for plowing. This way, in the village life, different people do different work. They are engaged in different work and they earn their livelihood by providing different facilities to other people. Yes, that is more important. Do you understand? Can you see the village life photo on your screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
people are engaged in different work. Whatever their time do the farming, after doing the farming work, they try to earn their livelihood by doing different other works, right? All right. Okay. Everyone understood till here?
Yes.
Chalo, if you have any doubts,
Yeah.
ask me right now.
Bye,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No doubt, no question.
Anyone, any doubt? Ask me
No,
right
ma'am.
No
now.
doubt, no question.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.